Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to repost anything on Instagram. So first thing I'm gonna do is open the Instagram. Here I already have my Instagram open, and please go into the search button here, and you will be generated into a lot of video search, a lot of content search that you can choose. Let's find out the useful information. Let's say there is a promo about this. Right, there is a promo, buy 9 get 9. You can share this information to our friends because sharing is caring. So how to repost this? Just go into this plain sign, and after that you can do add to story, and then those content will be appear on your story. And after it's appear like this, you can choose how the way it will look like. You can go with the name of the ID of Instagram, the captions too, or you just need to do this, which only show the pictures. And after you finish, just click into your story. And that's how the way you repost anything on your Instagram. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.